Big John, Big John.
Good Wednesday afternoon, everybody. Harvest season is about to get rolling, and I'm on vacation for 2.5 weeks now. So we got a little bit of work to do to this corn head. Wanted to bring it over here up on the concrete and crawl underneath of it. So let's get this ball rolling. All right, so what I've been doing, we took these shields off, and there's clutches right there on every row unit, and you have to grease them once a year, $300. So got under there and greased all them up. Now we got to check the gearboxes. Dad had the lock down, so okay. Come here. Pick it up and come in. Well, I guess that one ain't gonna stay. Alright. So now I gotta get back under here with a different grease gun. That one right there, and pump grease into these gearboxes. So I'm gonna set you down for that. Alright, got the combine all ready to go. I'm gonna start semi, let it warm up. Sounds like the bolts might have been a little low. There we go. Low air pressure. So we'll let this warm up. I'll have to get hooked up to the dump trailer. So we're gonna harvest 2021. It's getting started. Not the way I wanted it, but we'll see what happens. I'd like to run beans and get the wheat planted, but there is one farmer over there running beans, but he's making a little bit of a mess. So we'll get the combine going and see what happens. All right. Old girl's got a good sound to her. Trap's open. All right, rock trap was open. Luckily I was here and caught it real quick. We got some big corn to pick up. like that. A nice whole cob. It's not busted up and there ain't no corn on it. The cob's actually kind of small. We've seen a few kernels, but right there's one. Probably come out of the, you see him over here along the, right in the rows. That's butt shelling from the cob coming down and hitting the stripper plates. All right, he's coming back this way. All right, let's see what goes on. All right, doing a nice job. Monitor says 17.9 on the moisture, and it's off one way or the other. I'm pretty sure that the corn is a little drier than what the monitor says. And I'd like to calibrate it. Maybe when we do this test plot, I can get that calibrated again. So we'll get the dump trailer hooked up to the semi. Right there. And get it ready to go. Ruckus, you're gonna get stepped on. So yeah. All right, got her thing up in the air, got all the water drained out of the tarp, just letting her kind of run out of the rolled part of the tarp and stuff. Gotta check some air pressure in the tires, and I'm not gonna bore you with that though, so I'll be back. All right, got all the tires filled up. I had a couple of them that were really low. I think them adapters that I had on them, well, the one was messed up, I know that. Extensions. I got that figured out, got them all going. Me and Dad talked about it. We're gonna leave the truck up here, and I'm gonna fire Bertha up with a grain cart and chase him and come up here. That way we're not compacting the same area of the field every time we drive up to unload. We had that happen with wheat over to Woodville. We got some really serious compaction in that area, in that one field. So I can follow him with this, and hopefully this old grill will start. Turn like a kitten at a milk pail. All right, good deal. I'm gonna get this tarp unrolled and we'll go from there. All right, we're getting it. Dumping on the go. I don't know if you guys can see that up there. Dad says it's running 202 bushel on the monitor. I hope it's low. I've never had 202 bushel corn in this field. So yeah, we'll get it across the scales and we'll figure out how close it is. All right, see you later. All right, we got a semi load off of that field behind the house, which is all mine. So we stopped there. We came back this way and we're cutting in. That's Windler's. So this is field number 6 for me. This is field number 5. So we're cutting these in. I'm back here with Dad. He's kind of over there in the corner. You probably can't see him. Getting these headlands off on this end. And because he wouldn't be able to come down here and do it and make it back to the other. Sorry about that, battery died. Like I said, he wouldn't be able to come down and get back to the other end without being full. He's getting pretty full right now, and all he did was come down. So he cut over here, so I'm gonna get out and pick up some ears that got knocked off. That always happens when you cut over. But I'm gonna have to pull up in here so he can get beside me to dump. Did you hear that? I didn't like the way that sounded. Yep, beacon light up on that corner. Forgot about it. Auger wasn't out all the way, so it wasn't up high. But it'll be all right. It's rubber mounted. It still works. So, yeah. Getting her opened up. Kirk's up to the barn getting Scooter unhooked off the mower. He's bringing the sprayer over so we can get that winterized. Getting cold, so time to get that winterized. All right, talk to you in a little bit. Okay, got her situated down there. Dad's gonna run, fill the cart up, call her a night. And I gotta help Kirk get this sprayer winterized real quick. And then I gotta take off in the truck to get that empty. So when I get back tonight, I might jump back in the combine and run a load off. Fill the truck up again. That way I can go right up first thing in the morning, get rid of it. Because I'm on vacation for 2.5 weeks now. All right, we'll see you up there. All right, I didn't grab the camera. On the way up there, I was cannonballing, getting up there before 7 o'clock. And then on the way home, it was dark, so I didn't pick it up then either. But I'm back at the house, and I actually went back the lane, and I pulled into the cornfield next to the lane, just past the tractor over there. I'm afraid to drive the tractor loaded with the grain cart loaded clear full like it is up the lane, because there's old tile ruts that run at an angle, and that cart is so top heavy with my extensions on it that it really rocks back and forth. So I don't know if it's a good thing or not, but I pulled the truck out and around. I parked it. I'm going to unload about half of that cart in front of the trailer right on the drives, and then we're going to go up. So wish me luck. All right, everybody, made it up there and back, made it out of the field, went back, got the grain cart. My buddy Bob Groik, he's one of the firemen. He was actually coming home from the officers meeting tonight, and we was talking, and he says, well, you need a ride? You don't have to walk back there. So he gave me a ride back, brought the tractor up, started the combine up, pulled it out, unloaded it. So it's not full, but it's probably a legal load. So yeah, it's 10 after 9. So about an hour and a half nap this morning. So yeah, I'm tired. Got some tools that we used to get to them grease zerks and put them back in the garage. And I'm gonna call it a night. I don't know how this footage is gonna go, whether I'll wrap it in to tomorrow or whether this will be one complete on its own, but we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.